Exercise 3B. Question 1. Classify the following substances into compounds and mixtures: carbon dioxide, air, water, milk, common salt, blood, fruit juice, iron sulfide. Answer. Compounds: carbon dioxide, iron sulfide, water, common salt. Mixtures: air, milk, fruit juice. Question 2. Give one example for each of the following types of mixtures. Some suggested answer: A. Solid-solid homogeneous mixture, brass. B. Solid-liquid heterogeneous mixture, sand and water. C. Miscible liquids, acetone and water. D. Liquid gas homogeneous mixture, ammonia and water. Question 3. Suggest a suitable technique to separate the constituents of the following mixtures. Also give the reason for selecting the particular method. A. Salt from seawater. Answer. Salt from seawater is separated by evaporation method. Evaporation method is used to separate the components of a homogeneous solid-liquid mixture. The liquid is escaped in the form of vapor and the solid is left behind. B. Ammonium chloride from sand. Answer. Sublimation method is used to separate ammonium chloride from sand. This method is used when one of the components is sublime in nature. Ammonium chloride is sublime in nature, so when it is heated, ammonium chloride directly changes into vapors and sand is left behind. The vapors of ammonium chloride on cooling changes directly into solid. C. Chalk powder from water. Answer. Chalk powder and water can be separated by filtration method. Filtration method is used for separating insoluble solids from liquids. On filtration, chalk powder gets deposited on filter paper, whereas water passes through the filter paper and gets collected in the beaker. D. Iron from sulfur. Answer. Iron from sulfur can be separated by magnetic separation method. This method is used when one of the components is magnetic in nature. Iron gets attracted towards magnet and can easily be separated from sulfur. E. Water and alcohol. Answer. Water and alcohol can be separated by fractional distillation method using a fractionating column fitted over the distilling flask. Fractional distillation method is used to separate miscible mixtures in which the liquids have different boiling points. Boiling point of alcohol is 78 degrees Celsius and water is 100 degrees Celsius. Hence, this method is the most suitable for separating them. 95.5% pure alcohol is obtained by this method. F. Sodium chloride and potassium nitrate. Answer. Sodium chloride and potassium nitrate can be separated by fractional crystallization. This method is used when the solubility of solid components of a mixture is different in the same solvent. Both salts are soluble in water, but solubility of potassium nitrate is more than that of sodium chloride in water. G. Calcium carbonate and sodium chloride. Answer. Solvent extraction method is used to separate calcium carbonate and sodium chloride mixture. This method is used when one component is soluble in a particular liquid while the other component is insoluble. Sodium chloride is soluble in water, but calcium carbonate is insoluble, which settles down. Question 4a. Define mixture. Answer. Mixtures can be defined as a kind of matter which is formed by mixing two or more pure substances, elements and compounds in any proportion such that they do not undergo any chemical change and retain their individual properties. Question 4b. Why is it necessary to separate the constituents of a mixture? Answer. It is necessary to separate the constituents of a mixture because 1. To remove unwanted and harmful substances. 2. To obtain pure and useful substances. Question 4c. State 4 differences between compounds and mixtures. Compounds. 1. A compound is a pure substance. 2. Compounds are always homogeneous. 3. Formation of a compound involves a change in energy. 4. Components of compounds can be separated only by complex chemical processes. Mixtures. 1. A mixture is an impure substance. 2. Mixtures may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. 3. Formation of a mixture does not involve any change in energy. 4. Components of mixtures can be separated by simple physical methods of separation. Question 5a. What is chromatography? For which type of mixture is it used? Answer. The process of separating different dissolved constituents of a mixture by their adsorption on an appropriate material is called chromatography. It is used to separate the components of a mixture when all the components are very similar in their properties. It is used to separate liquid-liquid mixtures. Question 5. B. What are the advantages of chromatography? Answer. The advantages of chromatography are: 1. A very small quantity of the substance can be separated. 2. Components with very similar physical and chemical properties can be separated. 3. It identifies the different constituents of a mixture. 4. It also helps in quantitative estimation of the components of a mixture. Question 5. C. Give 2 applications of chromatography. Answer. The 2 applications of chromatography are: 1. It is used to purify many industrial products. 2. It is used to separate pigments from natural colors. Question 6. A. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. A mixture of sand and ammonium chloride can be separated by: 1. Filtration, 2. Distillation, 3. Sublimation, 4. Crystallization. Answer. Sublimation. Reason: sublimation method is used when one of the component is sublime in nature. Ammonium chloride is sublime in nature, so on heating, it directly changes into vapor, leaving behind the sand. Question 6. B. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. A pair of metalloids are: 1. Sodium and magnesium, 2. Boron and silicon, 3. Carbon and phosphorus, 4. Helium and argon. Answer. Boron and silicon. Reason: boron, B, and silicon, Si, are metalloids because they show some properties of metals and some properties of nonmetals. Question 6. C. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Which of the following property is not shown by compounds? 1. They are heterogeneous. 2. They are homogeneous. 3. They have definite molecular formulae. 4. They have fixed melting and boiling points. Answer. They are heterogeneous. Reason: compounds are always homogeneous because the composition and properties is same throughout. Question 6. D. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. A solvent of iodine is: 1. Water, 2. Kerosene oil, 3. Alcohol, 4. Petrol. Answer. Alcohol. Reason: iodine gets dissolved in ethyl alcohol. Question 6. E. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. This gas is highly soluble in water. 1. Ammonia, 2. Nitrogen, 3. Carbon monoxide, 4. Oxygen. Answer. Ammonia. Reason: ammonia is highly soluble in water. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on elements, compounds, and mixtures. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share,